Hey guys, and welcome back to Set Falls, and today we're going to be taking a look at something completely different. The Altair AA Wave and Aqua. Now, these are the first ever RC boats to be featured on this channel, and I must say, it was a whole load of fun. So without further ado, let's get into it. So both of these boats are exactly the same, apart from having a difference in size and colour. But in terms of performance and what you get for your money, they're exactly the same. So let's take a look at what comes inside the box. So for only $60 for the Wave and $70 for the Aqua, we're getting so much. We get the boat itself, a small stand to keep the rudder off the ground, a transmitter, a nose cap, 2 batteries, a spare propeller, the manuals, and a charging cable. Taking a look at the transmitter, it uses a turn wheel design to be able to steer the boat, and then a single switch for the throttle. Now, if you haven't encountered this sort of design before, don't be put off by it, because it's very simple to learn, and you'll get the hang of it after only a few seconds of driving the boat. The transmitter itself requires 4 AA batteries, which aren't supplied, but can be easily bought, so this isn't a huge issue or anything. On the top of the transmitter, there are a series of buttons which can be used for trimming. There is trimming for the throttle and trimming for the steering. And by clicking each of these buttons, you'll be able to adjust each aspect as required. It's pretty straightforward, to be honest. Now, moving on to the design of the boat. The Wave is slightly smaller than the Aqua, but both would fit inside a backpack. Although I wouldn't recommend this because the rudder can become easily damaged. Now, each box can easily be carried. The box for the Aqua comes with a handle for easy transportation, and the box for the Wave can be placed inside a bag to be easily transported. Both boats have been well waterproof with 2 layers of protection, allowing the interior to remain protected from any water. This has been done with a series of twisting lock mechanisms to get past each layer, and for the second layer there is a rubber seal around the edges to stop water seeping in. When you open both of these layers, you're introduced to all the components inside. You can see the servo and the push rod, which are connected into the rudder, as well as the motor driving the propeller. You can even see the water cooling system, which uses a rubber tube. Now, although the interior doesn't seem the most user-friendly, it's actually quite cool to see all of the components inside. And it shows you how the boat's actually working, which I thought was pretty interesting. In terms of the additional features, Altair has built in anti-capsizing technology, which means that the hull has been designed to easily rotate back into the correct position when it tips over. This is simply done by driving forwards and backwards really quickly, and it's done very well, which is great. Out of all the times I tried this, it always worked, which was amazing. Another cool feature was the speed and its ability to do some really tight turns. Both boats were able to travel very fast and turn extremely fast as well. It could do donuts and create a whirlpool in the water, which looks absolutely insane. On top of this, Altair provides 2 batteries with each boat, which means that you get plenty of time to drive, and this enables you to get roughly 20 minutes of time to drive, which is far more than other companies. Altair are great at this, and they do this with all of their products, which is something I think every RC company should consider. So overall, is the Wave worth $60 and is the Aqua worth $70? Personally, I would say yes to both of these questions, because they're both highly reliable and very sturdy. The only issue is that the batteries do take a while to charge, and that can be annoying. But then again, you do get 2 batteries, which provides plenty of time to drive about. Now you might be wondering which is better, the Wave or the Aqua. Personally, I would go for the Aqua because for only $10 more, you're getting a boat which is substantially bigger, and it makes it so much more fun to mess about with. Okay, so don't forget to go to the description below where you can find the link to go purchase these boats. And remember to hit the subscribe button and leave a like. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.